Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for beginners using an easy method. First, let's discuss why Python is a great choice for new coders due to its clear syntax. We'll then explore how Code with Harry provides structured lessons, making complex topics simple to grasp. This approach helps you build a strong programming foundation quickly and efficiently. To begin, you'll need to install Python on your computer, which is a straightforward process. Next, set up a user-friendly code editor such as VS Code to write and run your programs. Code with Harry guides you through these initial steps, helping you understand fundamental concepts like variables and basic operations. You'll be writing your first lines of code in no time. Consistent practice is key to mastering Python. Work through the exercises provided by Code with Harry to solidify your knowledge. As you progress, start building small projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game. This hands-on experience is invaluable for applying what you've learned and developing your debugging abilities, which are crucial for any programmer. As you become more comfortable, delve into advanced Python topics such as object-oriented programming and web development frameworks. Engage with online coding communities to share your progress and learn from others. Continuously explore new libraries and features to expand your skill set. Remember, learning to code is an ongoing journey, and consistent effort yields significant rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.